The Regional Technology Commercialization Center is the brainchild of Director Nicomedes Eleazar of the Bureau of Agricultural Research. And this is the first of its kind in the whole Philippines, and we are very much happy about this because of its very good news to our farmers, fisher folks, and entrepreneurs. So what is the Regional Technology Commercialization Center about? Basically, it tries to be a one-stop shop for all the technologies, products, services of the Department of Agriculture and its inline agencies, as well as of the farmers, fisher folks, and entrepreneurs in the Bicol region. In this way, their products, their services are showcased in this center, and this would enhance the promotion, dissemination, and commercialization of these products and services. Because as you know, in the present times, our expanding market and economy sees the sprout of micro, small, and medium enterprises. Now, this is one way in which the Bureau of Agricultural Research, in collaboration with our regional office, the Department of Agriculture, foresees to help, assist, and support our entrepreneurs here in Bicol region. So at this early stage, actually, we have many products already, many participating entrepreneurs and small-scale entrepreneurs. So let me mention first the products that had been generated by our institution. We have our Moringa product of DA, which has ventured into so many food processing, Moringa-based food products. We also have the project-based products of DA, which is anchored on our Palayamanan project. And these are basically the Pragivdiu products. These are handicraft, also supported by the Bureau of Agricultural Research, which is made of a weed in the rice-based ecosystems. We also have the hand-woven products in some of our partners. These are hand-woven towels and blankets. We also had the wine. This had also been generated through research and development by our researchers. We have the DNJ wine, which is being now produced by the Gasol Farms. Now, aside from these DA products, we also have some products that had been anchored or produced by our LGU or local government units. For example, we have the corn-based handicraft in Tigawon. We also have the kapis-based products in Sorsogon, because as you well know, we have there the perennial problem of red tide. So the LGU had to think of one livelihood for the farmers and fisher folks, and they thought of this kapis-based handicraft as an alternate livelihood. Then we also have the Leslie Pili Pulp oil, which is just in its early stages, but this is trying to produce or extract oil from our pili commodity, which is said to be of very good quality and good import potential. Now, aside from that, we also have a participation from the cooperative. We have the LGU Labo Multipurpose Cooperative. This is actually handicraft and products from our pineapple, the indigenous Queen Formosa of Bicol. We also have the Bicol Sikat Handicraft, which is, as you can see, an array of different products in slippers, bags, and all those things. Then we also have the FSJ Pasalubong Center participating, also handicrafts. Then we also have two very significant participation from the private sector. We have Mr. Efren Ramos from the Bicol Moringa.
Nag-start kami doon sa Moringa capsules. And then, dumami siya. Meron na kaming tea, Moringa tea. Meron na kaming organic rice with Moringa powder. Meron na kaming corn brew with the same time meron din Moringa powder. At meron din kaming Moringa soap. Ang Moringa oleifera or malunggay in our vernacular language is napaka-nutritious. be it in fresh or in powdered form. Pag fresh siya, napakataas ang vitamin C niya. And then pag dried form siya, napakataas naman yung calcium niya and iron. Napaka-nutritious, napaka-sustansya kumain ng malunggay. Nalaman ko na may ang Department of Agriculture and yung BARC ay tumutulong pala doon sa mga small entrepreneurs. Kagaya ko, pinuntahan ako personally and then kumuha ng products at dinala sa display center sa Pili. Well, may bumibili din at saka may nagte-text na nag-inquire about our products. In fact, doon nga yung ginagamit namin internet, nakapag-pa-order ako ng konti lang naman. Pero at least, papasalamat din ako sa yung internet nila kasi nakatulong din sa mga aming small entrepreneurs. Nagpapasalamat din ako kagaya kay na tumutulong sa akin ngayon si Dr. Elena B. De Los Santos ng BARC Bicol.
Now, the other significant participant is, of course, Norita Badong. She has a Diet Secret Cafe, and she is quite successful now.
My restaurant is along Mayon Avenue, and we're offering diet products. Okay, we have for our ingredients malunggay or moringa powder. We also use sweet sorghum and natural sweeteners. So basically, we produce mga cakes and pastries, bread, cookies, all kind of stuff like pizza. We also produce mga pasta sauces and dips. We all have that. All are made sugar-free, wheat-free, cholesterol-free, and trans-fat-free. Yung sa TechCom Center, so sponsored by Department of Agriculture, it is a venue for us to display our products and at the same time build a network of suppliers and producers that helps us in creating all of these healthy products. Yung mga malunggay or group, it's actually a great help to us. Kasi we not only display our products there, so nagkakaroon ng exposure, doon sa mga tao na hindi masyadong aware with yung mga health foods, So at the same time, we have the support of the Department of Agriculture in terms of promotion, mga grants and stuff like that. So we have that. So sobrang nakakatuwa that we have the TechCom Center na kumbaga tumutulong sa aming mga small and medium businesses, business enterprises. So it's of great help and we really would like to thank the Department of Agriculture for providing us with the TechCom Center.
Sa lahat pong nanonood at nakikinig dito sa panayam na ito, nais ko po kayong imbitahin. Ito po dito sa Regional Technology Commercialization Center ng Department of Agriculture. Please contact our Regional Executive Director, Dr. Jose Vidayaw, or Dr. Elena De Los Santos, our BARC Manager, at landline numbers 054-361-1690 and 054-361-1944. For those who are interested to start small-scale enterprises, you are very much welcome to visit and learn from us here in our center.